might notice, why am I wearing a little shirt? Look, this does not fit me. Look, when I just, it can show my belly button. Look, like I do not know what's this shirt for. No. And I had to wear it to show. Did you know in New York, there's a little bit of snow? Look, there's not like a lot of snow, but it is cold out there. Grandpa, call her señorita.
You don't like señorita, right? You like Victoria.
No, she doesn't like Victoria because she calls you Pee-Pee.
Yeah, she does, and she likes to hit a lot. Victoria, you do way too much.
What are you doing there?
Just call señorita.
Señorita, close the door.
That was Ulrich.
What do you want? What do you want?
You know it wasn't me. Dude, serious. You stink.
What?
I mean, when I was gonna look in the fridge, and then that's when I made a fart noise like this. Then I was like this, Victoria, you stink. And that was a funny
Oh, so you mean like this? Fart?
Let me try.
That fart? You probably want some mangoes.
You mean